This is all you get by way of assembly instructions. So I intend to show you the way that I did it, and that is the components list. The first thing was to unpack the box containing the door canopy. There are two very substantial plastic brackets and the translucent top. There's the front fixing bar and the back fixing bar, and most important, a little bag containing the fixings. The bag contains 6 small screws which fix the perspex cover to the frames, 4 bolts and 4 bolt covers. Here are the assembly instructions. The first thing I need to do is to take the board. I've put it in there just to hold it for myself. And then I need to take the frontal fixing bar and fix it onto the one side of the board. So taking the protective corner piece off reveals that both sides of the board are covered with a protective sheet. So first I'm putting on the front fixing bar, which slides on really easily. So now I'm going to put on the back fixing bar. I am now taking the protective corner pieces off from the other side of the board. So I now need to put on the back fixing bar. Which way around do I put it on? I'm going to assume that this flat part is the top, and that is going to be the bottom. The next stage is to put a bracket on one end. Now I've carefully placed the front edge into the bracket at that corner. Now I've got to do the same here. So having fitted the board into this end, I've got to put the 2 screws in. One in that corner, and one in this corner. I fitted the 2 screws at the first end. Now I need to put the second bracket that I've lost, the second bracket, onto this end. They are the holes where I fit the screws. One there, one there. Oh, got it. Now, I've got to get that's got in. No trouble at all, with a little help from the wife. Well done, Joan, thank you.
That's all right.
I put that screw in there and that one in there. So that is a canopy assembled in the garage.